In Canada, the income tax system is administered by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. Here are some key points about income tax in Canada. 1. Residency. Your tax obligations depend on your residency status in Canada. Residents are taxed on their worldwide income, while non-residents are taxed on their Canadian source income. 2. Personal income tax rates. Canada has a progressive tax system, which means higher income earners will pay a higher tax rate. The federal tax rates for 2021 vary from 15% to 33%. Additionally, provinces and territories have their own tax rates that can range from 4% to 21%. 3. Filing requirements. Individuals in Canada are required to file an income tax return if they owe taxes, want to claim a refund, or are requested to file by the CRA. The deadline for filing personal tax returns is usually April 30th, or June 15th for self-employed individuals, but any tax owing is still due by April 30th to avoid interest charges. 4. Deductions and credits. There are various deductions and credits available to reduce your taxable income and overall tax liability. Examples include the basic personal amount, medical expenses, charitable donations, and tuition fees. 5. Important documents. To accurately file your taxes, you will need documents such as T4 slips, employment income T5 slips, investment income receipts for deductions and credits, and any relevant supporting documentation. 6. Other considerations. Certain income types, such as capital gains, foreign income, or income from self-employment, might have specific rules and reporting requirements. 7. Tax-Free Savings Account (TFSA). The TFSA is a type of registered account in which you can contribute after-tax money, and any income earned within the account is tax-free. Withdrawals from TFSA are also tax-free. However, there are annual contribution limits, and over-contributions may result in penalties. 8. Registered Retirement Savings Plan (RRSP). The RRSP is another type of registered account that helps Canadians save for retirement. Contributions to an RRSP are tax-deductible, and the income earned within the account is tax-sheltered until withdrawn. At retirement, RRSP withdrawals are considered taxable income. 9. Goods and Services Tax, Harmonized Sales Tax (GST, HST). The GST is a tax that applies to most goods and services provided or purchased in Canada, while the HST is a combined federal-provincial tax in some provinces. Some goods and services are exempt or zero-rated from GST, HST, and certain individuals may be eligible for the GST, HST credit. 10. Business taxes. If you operate a business or are self-employed, there are additional tax considerations. Sole proprietors report their business income on their personal tax return, while incorporated businesses have separate tax obligations. Different tax deductions and credits are available for business expenses. 11. Tax filing methods. Individuals can file their taxes using various methods, including paper filing, electronic filing through certified software, or the CRA's online service called My Account. Electronic filing is generally faster, more convenient, and can provide instant confirmation of receipt. 12. Tax refunds and payments. If you overpaid your taxes during the year, you may be entitled to a tax refund. Refunds are typically issued by direct deposit or as a check. On the other hand, if you owe taxes, payment can be made online, by mail, or in person at a financial institution. 13. Income splitting. Canada has introduced certain income splitting measures that may apply to families with children under the age of 18. These measures allow for the transfer of certain income between spouses or common law partners, potentially reducing the overall tax burden. For the family. 14. Tax treaties. Canada has entered into tax treaties with various countries to prevent double taxation and to provide relief for individuals who may be subject to taxation in multiple jurisdictions. These treaties provide rules for determining how much tax should be paid to each country. 15. Audits and penalties. The CRA has the authority to audit taxpayers' returns to ensure compliance with tax laws. It is important to keep accurate records and maintain supporting documentation to substantiate your income, deductions, and credits. Failure to comply with tax laws can result in penalties, interest charges, or potential legal consequences. 16. Voluntary disclosures. If you have made errors on your tax returns or have unreported income, you may be eligible to make a voluntary disclosure to the CRA. Voluntary disclosures allow you to correct inaccuracies and potentially avoid penalties and prosecution, provided that certain conditions are met. 17. RRSP Home Buyers Plan (HBP) and Lifelong Learning Plan (LLP). The HBP allows first-time homebuyers to withdraw funds from their RRSP for a down payment, while the LLP allows individuals to withdraw funds from their RRSP to finance education or training. Both programs have specific rules and repayment requirements. 18. Non-resident taxes. Non-residents of Canada who earn income from Canadian sources may be subject to withholding taxes. These taxes are typically deducted at the source by the payer of the income, such as an employer or financial institution. Non-residents may also have reporting obligations to the CRA. 19. Tax-free employee benefits. Certain employee benefits, such as health and dental plans, may be provided tax-free by employers. However, it is important to understand the specific rules and limits associated with these benefits. 20. Tax planning strategies. Proper tax planning can help individuals and businesses minimize their tax liability. Strategies may include maximizing deductions, utilizing tax credits, utilizing tax-efficient investment vehicles, and optimizing timing of income and expenses. Airzol is a leading provider of comprehensive tax solutions. With our team of experienced professionals and cutting-edge technology, we offer efficient and accurate tax services to individuals and businesses alike. From tax planning and preparation to IRS issue resolution, we handle all aspects of taxes with precision and expertise. Our commitment to delivering personalized solutions tailored to each client's unique needs sets us apart. Contact us today at +1 647 232 7909 and discover how Airzol can streamline your tax process and help you achieve your financial goals.